look it, Andrew made it on time this morning. Hi, Nate.
I only set 3 alarms.
Daryl and Greg and me. Flew like a bastard yesterday, so who knows what we're gonna see. We're gonna find out together. It's 5:20, so out the channel we go. Oh my God, look at all the boats. Crazy, 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 crazy. Look at them all.
Got a time, Daryl?
6, go. Fishing already over there. Bigger. Hey, that's a good one.
Got him. I'll move the top over a bit.
Actually, you know what, Nate? Let me. What you got there, buddy? Got a king. Hi.
I think it's that.
Me too.
Yep.
I'm not you.
Is it?
Shot next time. Bam!
Me too.
Nice one. Let's get 6 more of those and we'll be happy.
Here. He's doing good.
Put this rigger to the. Try that there. You can get a minimal rod.
Go easy, go easy, go easy. Go easy. Oh!
Slider again? Better one.
Might want to move this rigger over to the other side. Is that Coho? Kind of looks like a hoe. Gotcha. 2-year-old. This spoon on this rigger,
Keep going.
has taken 4.
Oh. Right there. Yep, look at that. Yes, it worked.
Got him! Nice. Another mid to high teens.
Don't you love when a little plan comes together?
All right, we're slowly putting it together. It is not coming as fast as it should be, but got some good ones in there. A couple more. Just need a couple more.
I got it. There we go. Don't bring the rigger up yet.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. No horses, okay? That was only down 55.
Big, huge cake. Big, huge cake.
Nice.
Big, huge cake.
Here.
Yes.
Hey, good fish, man.
There's a 19.
Oh, he is